In this video, we're talking about surface area of cylinders. Now, with the surface area of a cylinder, you're actually looking for three different measurements, or three different areas. Two circles, which are going to be the same, and one rectangle. The area of a circle, of course, for the formula is just pi r squared. But since we have two circles with our cylinder, for our formula for a cylinder, it will need to be 2 pi r squared in order to account for both circles. Now we'll need to add in the area of the rectangle, and rectangle's area is length times width. But we're going to change up a few of these variables, the letters we're using. Instead of width, we're going to use height. So we're going to change that to an h. And instead of length here, we're actually going to be looking for their circumference. So in order to do that, we'll use the formula for circumference, which is 2 pi r. And as you can notice down here, we've replaced L, the length, with 2 pi r. So our formula for to find the area of a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So let's do an example where we use this formula. Here our diameter is 8 meters across and our height is 12 meters. This is the surface area for a cylinder, the formula. And I've gone ahead and plugged in a few numbers here. The 4 represents the radius. We need the radius for this formula and not the diameter. And of course the diameter is given. 4 squared is 16. The radius again is 4, so I put that here. Height is 12. 4 times 12 is 48. Using the commutative property, I've multiplied 2 times 16 to get 32, and 2 times 48 to get 96. I went ahead and added 32 and 96 together to get 128, and the last step I have to do is multiply by pi. So my final answer is 402.1 meters squared. Squared, of course, because we are looking for surface area. So just a few things to remember with surface area. Your answer will be units squared, whether that's meters squared, inches squared, feet squared, miles squared, because it's area, it's not volume. And the other thing you need to remember is you really only need two values. You just need the radius and the height of the cylinder in order to find out the surface area.